This is the elevator at the Baum Professional Building in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a true beauty. Old Dover elevator. Got a 2. Completely original. Relay control, no indicator. Hydraulic. Here are 2. This building looked pretty old. I was hoping for something like this. Old Dover. Here are 2. Second floor. Let's go back down to 1. Let's hear the relays first. I can't hear them. Oh well. We'll go back down to 1. Your basic, kind of nice now actually. This is a true beauty from the 1960s. Dover capacity, Dover hydraulic. I was lucky to get in here. Here you're back in 1. Let's this bumper. Let's listen to the relays one more time, shall we? It only does it when the door's closing. Oh well. There it goes, and that's it. Machine room, I believe. Machine room's right there, so that's it.